Certifications show employers you've developed skills and stayed proactive about learning. Here's how to add them in Rezi. Certifications aren't a default section, so first you'll need to add it. Click the three-dot menu at the end of your section tabs. Select Add or Remove Section, then find and enable Certifications. It'll appear alongside your other resume sections. Enter the official name of the credential. Common abbreviations are fine if recruiters will recognize them, like AWS or PMP. Add the issuing organization so employers can quickly verify it. Include the year you completed it, prioritizing certifications that are current and relevant to your target role. If it adds context, use the Relevance field to note skills gained, key topics, or a credential ID. Add more entries with the plus icon, and use Sort by Date to keep them in order automatically. That's the certifications section.